Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making an oven baked chicken alfredo using an at-home sauce. This recipe is inspired by Dinner at the Zoo on Pinterest. If you're new here, it's great to have you. Welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. To see how I put this all together, stay tuned. Here I have some penne pasta that I've previously cooked. I also have some chicken breasts that I've previously cooked and cut into bite sizes. To make the sauce, I'll be using heavy cream, whole milk, butter, some flour, garlic, mozzarella cheese, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and for topping I'll be using some fresh parsley. I will also be adding some salt and pepper to taste. A full list of the ingredients will be in the description bar below. The first thing I'll be doing is preheating my oven to 375 degrees. I'm going to start by making the sauce. Melt the butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add the garlic and cook for approximately 30 seconds or just until fragrant. Next, whisk in the flour and allow that to cook for about 1 minute, stirring constantly. Next, add the milk and the cream. Allow that to simmer while stirring constantly until the sauce starts to thicken. Once the mixture starts to thicken, I'm now adding the mozzarella and the Parmesan cheese, followed by some salt and pepper as needed. Whisk until all is combined and the cheese begins to melt. In a deep mixing bowl, add the cooked pasta, chicken, and pour in the sauce mixture and mix well. Transfer the pasta mixture to a greased or non-stick baking dish. Top generously with mozzarella cheese and bake for approximately 20 minutes. Once your pasta is ready, remove from oven and garnish with fresh parsley. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Do leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my next upload. Until next time, bye guys.